how to change name on iPhone messages. So all you have to do is tap on here to your messages and you will see all your conversations or your chats. And then what you want to do next is to choose the contact that you want to change the name with. So let's say you want to change this contact. Now, if you try to actually change it here and then tap on info here and tap on edit, what it will do actually is it will just delete the person's name. So to successfully change the name of the on the iPhone messages here, so what you can do is to go directly to your chat section because it will be a double work once you change the name through the messages. So what you want to do is to go here to your contact and of course change that person's name and tap on edit on the upper right and delete that and change the name and then tap on done. Now, if you go back here to your messages, as you can see, it will successfully and automatically change the name on iPhone messages. And basically, that's it. That is how you change name on iPhone messages. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.